cooking with Big Lee. It is currently 9:17 in the PM. As you can see, dark outside. And we are about to make banana bread. Yes, it is a weekday. Yes, I have to go to work tomorrow. Yes, I still have work to do tonight. But I want some banana bread. But let me show y'all what I got. So I found this recipe online because I wanted to use my protein yogurt because I wanted the banana bread to be like just a little bit healthy. Yeah, so I figured I'll just throw some protein yogurt in there. It's called for Greek yogurt. I don't really know if that is Greek, but it is yogurt. So we're gonna throw it in there. We're gonna just see what happens. It's fine. I have my bananas here, nice and brown, not mushy, so they're not exactly like the ripeness, but they're definitely brown. And then, as you know, you need brown sugar. You need, all these things aren't very heavy. You need sugar. I don't want to keep picking up things. I got the flour, the eggs, all the things to make banana bread.
Y'all, if there's one thing I learned, if your parents are gonna let you shop at their house for groceries, go shop there. I should have picked up some walnuts while I was at my mother's house.
So yeah, we're gonna put pecans in it, and we need a bowl. Let me get a bowl. I'm not really all that fancy smashy, guys, because like at the end of the day, who cares what it looks like? It needs to go in my stomach. So we're just gonna use a regular old plastic bowl. I might use the big one. This one doesn't get much use, so we'll go with the big one. Y'all, let me tell y'all one time. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab the instructions again, and we will start the mixing. Y'all, I just realized I do not have a loaf pan. I'm just gonna make it in a regular, like, little circle cake pan though. So it says to start by mixing all the flours and the sugars and the things like that. So we'll do that. And God is good. I am blessed. Keep it in bed.
Isn't it funny how my fingers look so long? Okay, anyways, back to this.
Let's get rolling. So first we're gonna start with the sugar, the light brown sugar, and the flour, and the salt, and the baking soda. Anyways, half a cup of sugar, y'all. Trust bro. I know how to do it. It's not giving though, but here we go. That's 1/4. Here's half. Sweet. And y'all, if y'all are ever cooking, make sure y'all keep y'all space clean and keep everything like boxed and bagged. Y'all, I had a wasp infestation.
Wasps.
I just kept thinking, what did I do to deserve this? What did I do to deserve to be blessed so highly with wasps? But we took care of that. I just decided to keep all the doors closed. I was leaving my patio open all the time because I love having fresh air just flow through. I think that was the reason that the wasps were getting in. Because people kept asking, are you leaving the door open? I was just like,
why would I leave the doors open?
I was leaving the doors open. Don't tell nobody. I made my dad drive a whole hour at 10 o'clock at night to come get a wasp. He's a great dad. This flour literally just got all over my sleeve. Why? I'm just trying to live comfortably in my 72-degree house. Tell me why my finger just went in the freaking bag. What? How are we supposed to open this? I should have opened everything off camera before I started the video. Anyways, I was trying to boost my YouTube at work. I was telling my coworkers about it. I don't know if they're gonna watch any of the videos, but hey y'all, 2 cups of this. So that's 8 of these. 1, Don't lose count, y'all, because I will. So y'all count for me. 2, 3. We're gonna stop at 4, and I'm gonna go turn on another light. 4. What number are we on? I feel like I should restart the whole video. 5. It's only one spot though, so. Can you see? Walmart brand flour. Walmart brand flour. 6. We're praying that that's 6, because I don't know. Y'all, we're gonna watch this YouTube video back and be like, why is there 12 scoops in there? 7. Oh, you didn't think I was, y'all didn't know I was bilingual. 8. Again, Walmart brand. Hold on. Okay, there we go. It wasn't pouring. So let me show y'all where we're at right now. We have 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. 1/2 cup of regular sugar. 1/4 cup of white brown sugar. Okay, y'all. Next is the baking soda and salt. This recipe didn't call for like any cinnamon or anything. Guess what I'm putting in there? And now 1 teaspoon of baking soda, regular brand, Arm & Hammer. What's the point of this? It doesn't even work. This stuff is not even going in the thing. This is just getting everywhere. It's just, we're gonna call that 1 teaspoon. I don't know. Yeah. So none of that got in here. Like probably 70%. This is just crazy. Messy. Okay, now for the salt. I don't know how much salt. I don't feel like walking back over to the computer to read either. So we're just gonna shake it in. Salt makes everything sweeter though. I hope you know that. We got everything in the bowl, as you can see. I'm not weird, I promise. Anyways, all the stuff is in here. We're just gonna whisk it all together. Then we're gonna add some of the wet ingredients. Since I'm listening to the instructions, I got another bowl. We're gonna mix together the wet ingredients. So we'll start with our dos bananas that are actually kind of gross looking on the inside. I think they're ready. Ugh. Look at that. Is that normal? I've never made banana bread before, so bear with me, y'all. I usually just eat this stuff. I don't ever make the stuff. But you know, like once you start living alone, you gotta actually like do the work. Nobody's just gonna do it for you. It's kind of crazy.
Like being an adult. Whoever said this was a good idea.
Okay, we got the 2 bananas in there. I think I'm gonna mash them before I do anything. Let me show y'all the bananas. I don't want to drop the camera. But I got my 2 bananas in the bowl. I have 2 eggs here I'm gonna put in there. The recipe called, the recipe called for 3 bananas, but I'm not wasting a banana. I don't have another ripe banana. I'm not gonna ripen the banana somehow. If you're wondering if I got a shell in, we'll find out once I cook it. Okay, y'all, we are back. I've got everything in. I'm just mixing in the oil. I also decided to add some honey, but I added the eggs, the vanilla, the yogurt, the bananas, the oil. So once I have all of this oil mixed in, I'll go on ahead and add this to the dry mix. And soon we will have banana bread. There we go. This is me mixing everything. Whisking it all up. I think that's pretty well combined. So now we're gonna add the wet to the dry. As you can see, that's all the dry mixture right there. We're gonna add it all in. Make sure we don't waste anything, because we're not wasteful. Sweet. Is this mixture supposed to look so thick? It's like a dough, like a bread dough. I don't know if I did this right. Let me get some milk. Hold on. Definitely gonna put some milk in there. Lactose free, obviously, because we want to be able to maintain our composure after eating this.
Time for a drink, a little break. This is not sponsored, but delicious. If lollipops sponsor me? I think I'm gonna cry. I love lollipops. They taste so tastefully and tasteful.
If y'all could see this, it's giving banana bread. Pecans. Let me crunch these up. And now my pecan pieces are in my banana bread. Let me show you what we're looking at here. Here we are. We're just mixing everything. My main question is, how is all of this gonna fit into this? Y'all got to see me do a little bit more mixationing. Don't want y'all to see the dirt. Why did my fork just go inside the whole batter? Okay, y'all, I decided to just go with one container. I know how baking works and how chemistry works, and I know that this might backfire on me, but I'm thinking I'll probably be fine. So this is what I've got going. As you can see, that flour wreaked havoc on my kitchen, so we will definitely be cleaning that. But yeah, I just threw it all in there. I probably should have put it in too, but I'm thinking it has a little bit of room to rise, so it should be moderately okay. I'm just gonna say a prayer. But anyways, the next time y'all see me, I'm going to be taking that thing out the oven. It has to sit in there for about an hour, so I'm just gonna go sit down and work, and I'll let y'all know how this banana bread comes out. Protein banana bread. Look at us. It is humongous, and it is among us. Chemistry. Just want to show y'all that it is completely done. Take my knife, stab it in the middle. It comes out clean. It smells great. Ignore how crazy my hair looks. I'm working, I'm sleepy. Y'all, this is so tasty. I can't even tell you. It's not even dense. It's like super moist. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see the quality on that? That is tasty. It's not too sweet. Great banana flavor. It has the nuts in there. Pause. Ayo. This has been another video with, Big Lee. I hope y'all learned something when y'all be watching this, because I just be playing around, but hopefully y'all learned something from me. Y'all live it up. Enjoy life. Peace.